this tutorial, you'll discover how to quickly set up copy trading on Polymarket using the PolyGun platform, following a simple, step-by-step guide. To get started, open your browser and type polygun.fun into the address bar. This will bring you directly to PolyGun, where you'll find the copy trading features. Click the Start Firing Now button to launch the app immediately. No account setup required at this stage. Next, open the Settings menu from the sidebar to begin connecting your wallet in preparation for copy trading. Now, navigate to your wallet. This example uses MetaMask, and choose Account Details to safely manage your wallet settings. Then, unlock your wallet by entering your password and confirming. Copy your private key and paste it to the PolyGun app, which will enable access to the advanced copy trading features. At this point, return to the Polymarket website to copy your proxy address. Go to your profile to easily find and copy your proxy address. Copy your Polymarket proxy address and paste it into the proxy address field on PolyGun. Then, click Connect Wallet to link your wallet. Next, go back to Polymarket to copy the address of the trader whose trades you want to copy. Now, open the PolyGun app again and paste the trader's address into the relevant field to set your copy trade target. After that, enter your preferred trade amount, deciding how much you wish to copy per transaction. Set the maximum trade age to specify how recent a trade should be to get copied automatically. You can also enable or disable the auto-execute and take profit options to let trades run automatically or halt at your chosen profit level. Once everything is ready, check your wallet connection status and click Start to activate the copy trading bot. Now, you can return to Polymarket to view your bot-driven activity and open positions. You've now completed the essential steps to begin copy trading with PolyGun on Polymarket. Happy trading and best of luck!